Welcome back, family. What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today, you guys, we are doing another Sweetie wig from Amazon review, you guys. This is a 13 by 6, 30 inches long. Yes, ma'am. It is 100%, 180% density. It is giving body in a straight wave HD lace transparency, baby. So let's get into it. You already know, you guys, we start off always with the shimmer lights, baby, to knock out any yellow tones when it comes to this wig. We don't want too many dimensions when it comes to this color, so we want to knock it all out. And me personally, with this Sweetie hair, this will be the last time that your girl will be buying from them. Me personally, I feel like they over process the ends of the hair. I don't know what goes on with it, but baby, when I tell you that color does not catch, it does not catch. And baby, we need that color to catch. You feel what I'm saying? So today, you guys, we are going in with a blue color. I am using Cya, C-Y-A, if I'm saying it right. And we are using, the other color was indigo blue. And y'all, when I tell you that Cya, if I'm saying it right, Cia, whatever, baby, when I tell you that that color was so beautiful, I cannot wait to try that color just alone itself, because she was giving. But the color I was going for, you guys, it was going for like an icy blue, give you like a white color at the top, fall into like a light blue with a dark blue at the end. But with the wig not taking the color at the end, the girl had to go ahead and dip the whole wig blue. Just keep on watching, you guys.
Not the guys, we are not the devil. Got Colombia ties out of Mexico. Spent the beds 100 times, still smell dope.
As you can see already, the ends were being very tangled and having problematics already. So you guys, be mindful to always untangle that wig before you go into that water, because baby, it will catch lumps and humps in between, and that's what we're not trying to do. We're trying to get the color evenly throughout the wig. So make sure you brush that wig before you dip it into that color, because for some reason, I don't know, y'all, Sweetie hair, she ain't my best friend. This the third time I done bought her, and I thought maybe the third time was a charm, but she ain't a third charm. But never again will we get this wig.
Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich set. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. Didn't take a lean with a lean.
Now that you have seen in the clip before, your girl had to go ahead, like I said in the video earlier, that we had to go ahead and dye the whole head blue because it wasn't giving at the ends. They gave me a light blue at the ends instead of a dark blue. So I couldn't do the color that I wanted, because when I looked at it after I dyed it, it looked a mess, y'all. But let's get into this install. So we already perfected that ball cap method. We didn't put the wig on and then tightened it up and got it to the place where we wanted to make sure that it was tight around the ears and everything. So now, y'all, we're going in with those 6 layers of glue. Yes, you heard it right. I said 6 layers of glue. Your girl goes to the gym. We just had a little mommy, and your girl trying to get that mommy pooch gone. You feel what I'm saying? So we're using the bold hold today, baby. When I tell you she came through, she came through. We did the bold hold glue, the bold hold glue for 6 times. We did the bold hold glue 6 times. And then we also did the bold hold gel 1 time, and we made sure that we smoothed it out around the perimeter of our forehead, and then we laid the wig down and we melted it in our scalp like we will always do, even if we didn't apply the jelly. But your girl wanted to see how the jelly would do, because I've been seeing a lot of reviews on it. My boy Andre, he be doing his big thing with it. So yeah, y'all, I wanted to see how it does and see if it will lay down good with the glue and also the gel. And when I tell you, keep watching, y'all. Keep watching. What's that little saying? It don't move. It don't move. As we're getting to the cutting process, I always use the eyebrow razor to go in, because it already had the jagged on there for you. So with the scissors, you don't have to do too much, and you're just going to cut along your perimeter. Try to cut along the perimeter. It matters when you're cutting the lace. At this point, I'm pulling up any excess glue, anything that's around my perimeter that's going to give me problems once I put on makeup or just anything when it comes to applying to this lace. The hot comb is your best friend in this matter. For once, you're going to lay your baby hairs the way that you want them, just to get them to train and lay them in the right direction. That's what the hot comb is for. Your foam is your best friend because it's going to lay your baby hairs down and it's going to give you that swoop that you want to master when it comes to them baby hairs looking like they're coming out of your scalp. No, baby hairs are not my best friend, but your girl try to do what she do when it comes to these baby hairs. Yes, they be looking like the Gross Sisters, but baby, we get the job done over here. You feel me? So now that we have those baby hairs down, we're going to blow dry with the blow dryer, and then we're going to apply the cap. Make sure you blow dry with the blow dryer before you apply that cap on there, because if you try to pull it off, the wig might come with it, baby. So be mindful. So let's get into this style. Your girl was kind of confused on what she wanted to do at this point. I didn't know if I wanted to do a half up, half down. I didn't know if I wanted to perfect that swoop. I didn't know what I wanted to do, but keep on watching, y'all. We about to style this wig. And if you look at it, y'all, that color actually gave. Look at that bright blue at the bottom and going seamlessly throughout the wig like I meant to do it. So, y'all, we got the back looking all yummy. Now we about to go in with the top, and we about to take a piece of the hair and we about to wrap it around the band, because we don't want no scrunchie, no rubber band or anything showing. We want that perfection when it comes to a half up, half down. So now I'm about to take pieces and I'm about to curl that, and we're about to keep on going.
I feel like a hell when nobody happy. Hot shells jumping out, they semi-automatic. Ready up by the condo, got a new edit. Now the VVs with a V-long jean jacket. They can see me even if you had 3D glasses. Red bitch in the bikini, she from Calabasas. Got a pocket full of blue cheese and some green relish. I'm a psycho for these hunters, got a cash fetish. I've been studying these hunters, I'm a mathematic. And this love make me wanna buy my dedicated. Since the love got me geeked up, I don't need a head. Drake gold, let these niggas know we've already. Sneaky clothes on my bitches, we ain't ball capping. Alien feel like I'm living on my own planet. Bought a spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aiming out of stage like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. I did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool right.
So, y'all, this is the ending result of the hair. We did a half up, half down. Now we're just using our Biosick oil. And, baby, we going through it with our hands and just barely combing out the curls because we still want that volume of a fall. You feel what I'm saying?
Got Colombia ties out of Mexico. Spent the beds 100 times, still smell dope. Got some pimp, feel applying, feel like Velcro. My bitch fine and like shopping on Rodeo. I be if you don't want copy, visit a day, yo. Ain't stingy, my bro gonna get a payroll.
But y'all, if y'all have came this far into this video, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Go ahead, y'all, and hit that subscribe button at the top or below your screen. You feel what I'm saying? It's always fashion, beauty, hair, installs. Baby, we do them all over here. You feel what I'm saying? It's not a platform that you would be disappointed on. Go and hit that love and go and show some love. You feel what I'm saying? Thank y'all for tuning in. If you are new here, what's up? What's up? And if you are my old comers, thank y'all so much for hanging in with your girl. Go and share some videos and get your girl out there. Thank y'all. Welcome, family. Welcome. Join the family. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Subscribe.